kayo pupunta at pwede ba kaming sumama? Sino po unang gustong sumagot? Ladies first. Charlie, do you have any plans this Holy Week? Anong sacrifice? At saan ka pupunta?
Hello, thank you for the wonderful question. Honestly, I'm really just celebrating my Holy Week. Very simple, because it's been a really, really crazy roller coaster ever since after PBB. So I really just want to take the time off to relax, have fun, and enjoy. So this Holy Week, for the sacrifices, not really much on that, but really just taking my time praising God for a lot of the blessings that He gave me and just winding down. I'm going to Vietnam with a few of my friends, some family. Actually, hey, Michael, my best friend's going. My best friend's coming, Ate Chaska, you know her as Tally from Hating Kapatid. We're going together. My videographer who's there is also my best friend. We're going together. Oh, diba? Walang... Michael talaga.
Ano to, Michael?
It's just amazing friendship. So yeah, I'm just spending time praising God and winding down in Vietnam with friends. So yan po. It's gonna be my first time going out of the country with my mom.
Wow.
Yeah, so I wasn't born in the Philippines, so I moved here with my mom. So ever since then, it's gonna be my first time going out with her. So I'm really happy.
Wow. In other words, huwag kang mag-Holy Week na hindi kasama
Ang
ang
nanay.
iyong nanay. Ang
Yes.
nanay mo.
Pero pwede ko yung sumama. I'll see you there. Just book your own ticket na. KKB na lang po tayo. So yeah, I'll see you guys there.
Sophie?
This Holy Week, same as Charlie, wala naman really sacrifices since vacation talaga with my mom, lalo na paglabas ng PBB for work. So,
Bawi, no? Bawi.
yeah, yung Holy Week, spend talaga namin ni Mommy na vacation together. And sana sa Korea, matuloy kami sa Korea, Lord. Sana matuloy. And yun lang, gusto lang talaga namin mag-bonding paglabas na kaming dalawa lang. Kasi ang dami pa namin mga hindi napapagkwentuhan. And gusto rin namin na mag-food trip, yeah, sa Korea. Yun
Oo
po.
nga, sarap naman. No? Huwag kang hindi babawi sa time with your mom. Shuvi?
Speaking of time, hello, mic test! Parang hindi ko na pala kailangan ng microphone. Ayun na nga, my own version of sacrifice siguro kasi I've been working here in Manila. Siguro talaga ang pinakamalaking sakripisyo po sa akin ay yung time ko po sa pamilya ko. Kasi malayo, not everybody knows, siguro ako po ay nakatira sa Manila alone and all my family nandun sila sa probinsya. So, last month lang napanaginipan ko yung lola ko. So, I feel like pinaparemind niya ako na you can always go back here. You can always go back to your core, bumalik ka lang. And I feel like it's also, magandang lesson siya na kung may nararamdaman ka man, you can always go back to where you came from para so I'm going back to the island. I'm going back to Bantayan, visit my lola, tapos, renew my internal health, lahat-lahat na mental health. So, yun yung gagawin ko sa Holy Week.
Baga, huwag kang makakalimot sa iyong pinanggalingan. Alright, Shuvi. Thank you very much, Shuvi. Kira?
Ako naman this Holy Week, I don't know if other people share the same practice as I do, pero pag Holy Week talaga, I don't eat meat. Dapat fish lang. Kayo din ba? Ganon. Yes, I see a few people nodding. Okay. Thank God. Yun lang naman yung sa sacrifice. And plans for Holy Week, sa ngayon wala pa. So, I don't know if I will be sharing it with my friends or with my family. So, wala pa.
Yun. Kumbaga, huwag kang kakain ng beef pag Holy Week. Yan. Anthony?
For Holy Week, we're gonna see. Honestly, I'm very last second. I plan very, very late. But definitely, without a doubt, just going to be resting, guys, catching up on my sleep, working out, and really just investing in myself. And of course, Easter Sunday is going to be coming up, so just celebrating Jesus. And I don't know, just going to be resting, and we'll see what plans I'm going to have. Super last second with my plans.
Kumbaga, Anthony, huwag kang hindi babawi ng tulog. No? Huwag kang babawi ng tulog. Sean?
Ako naman po, much like everyone else here, siguro napapansin nyo, may common theme naman sa amin na tumira sa Manila mag-isa, ganun, everyone moved here. And I'm the same, from Davao ako eh. Tapos I moved here to work. So, siguro yun yung sacrifice. Every other day other than Holy Week has been a sacrifice. So for Holy Week, gusto ko naman mag-give back kasi my mom celebrating her 50th birthday. So, gusto ko mag-spend ng time with her. We're going to Switzerland together. Yeah. Pwede kayo sumama bro, KKB lang din tayo. Pero nga, 50th kasi ni mama, and yes, we spend time when I go there for the holidays, pero iba kasi yung oras na sinispend mo with intent. Na may intent ka talaga na para sa kanya, na gusto mong pasayahin siya, this is her time, this is her trip. And for me to be able to do that is, yun yung plano ko and yun yung goal ko for Holy Week.
Kumbaga, huwag kang hindi magse-celebrate ng birthday ng mamo kundi kayo pupunta ng Switzerland.
And I, thank you.
Marco?
Yo, chill.
Tatlo.
So,
Thank you, Marco.
as for me naman, siguro since I just got out from the house, siguro it's been quite some time din na hiwalay ako sa family ko. And after that, parang syempre nagkaroon ng mga guestings sa mga ganap. So, for this Holy Week, siguro it's not really much of a sacrifice kasi nagawa ko na siya inside the house. And for this time, I wanna spend it with my family lang talaga, and especially my brother, na hindi ko nakaka-bonding ever since. So, siguro simpleng get-together lang with some relatives, and yung favorite bonding namin ng family ko is mag-billiards. So, I just wanna make my brother happy. I just wanna make sure na makapag-catch up kami ng family ko, and makagawa kami ng bonding na talagang maaalala namin every time. Yeah.
Kumbaga, huwag kang hindi magbibilliards kasama ng
Yes, sir.
Allen, I'd like you to answer that in English form.
May I go out? I'll be back later.
Para klase nagpaalam bigla.
Pandemic pa yung biro niya.
Go, Allen.
Ako ganoon din naman. Wala naman sacrifice. Kumbaga, mag-celebrate ako ng Holy Week with my family talaga. Kasi, yan, di ba, kumpleto kami ng family ko. Yun talaga para sa akin yung pahinga ko eh. Yung makasama ko yung family ko na ginagawa ko before yung mga ginagawa ko sa Bicol. Like, lahat ng mga favorite kong gawin, mga friends ko, yung mga pagkain na gusto ko, ginagawa ko siya every time na umuwi ako ng Bicol. And ngayon, siguro yung sama-sama kami makapagsimba ngayong Holy Week. Yun talaga.
Kumbaga, huwag kang makakalimot sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Doon kayo at ang iyong pamilya ay naninirahan pa sa Bicol. Tama ba?
Actually, lahat ng family ko nasa Bicol talaga.
Oo. Ayan. Thank you very much, Allen. Michael.
You know, this Holy Week, I'm excited kasi last year we were in Pinoy Big Brother, some of us. And
Nandun ka ba? Joke lang.
and siguro at the time, I learned to really reflect on sacrifices, and it's not really a week of just relaxation and pahinga. Kumbaga, it's really about God and the sacrifices He's done for us. So for me, my biggest sacrifice is really to think about Him more often and talagang thank Him for all the blessings He's given me this year and moving forward rin. But siguro din kasi as an actor, it's bihira to get pahinga. So what we do is sinusulit namin yung Holy Week. So hopefully I get to find some rest and maybe travel a little bit kahit napakamahal ng gas. Pero ayun, maybe we'll see where I will go this week.
In other words, don't forget to thank God for all the blessings He has given you, your family, your loved ones, and we'll be right back.
Naubusan.
Josh?
Yes. Before anything, gusto ko syempre magpasalamat sa inyo lahat for coming. I know you guys are busy, but you made time for all of us here. And we're thankful, and thank you din, Marco. But anyways, ayun nga. Ako, my greatest sacrifice, or my sacrifice for Holy Week.
Yung sinabi mo kanina.
Ako yun nga eh. So, ang sacrifice ko nga for this Holy Week. Hindi, of course, I think it's the same as Sean. I'm away from my family kasi and they're really far. So, I can't really go there and come back. Kasi yung mga schedule ako na kailangan habulin. So, siguro yun na yung sacrifice ko, not spending time with my family. Almost most of the year. Halos mga 3 weeks na kami nagsasama per year. So, I think that's my greatest sacrifice of not being to see them grow, lalo yung mga younger sisters ko, para lang mas maganda yung future ko. So, for this Holy Week, I'll be working din. I'm gonna be doing some online content lang. And if ever may magaya or if I have free time, I might...
Bro, tara.
Ay, pwede tayo. That's lang. And then if ever, yun nga, if possible, to go out of the city, that would be nice. Pero at the moment, wala naman. Focus lang talaga ako sa work.
In other words, Josh, huwag kang makakalimot kahit hindi mo kasama ang iyong pamilya at gumagawa ka ng online content sa mga panahong ito. Maraming
Yes.
salamat, guys.